having classes and objects. By using classes and objects, we create programs, functions. To write a Java program, to implement class mechanism, create class methods and invoke them inside main methods. In third exercise, we concentrate on methods. What? Methods. So first you have to know about the what is method, how to declare a method, how to define a method, and different types of methods. This is a big question, essay question. Okay, so what is method, how to declare, how to define, different mechanisms are available in methods. So first one, what is method? Method is a set of instructions. Set of instructions. Instructions are nothing but statements. Okay, so a program can be divided into number of modules. Each module is called a method. Okay, for example, if we write a program of 100 lines, then what we have to do? We create number of parts, smallest parts, right? So these smallest parts are called methods. Clear? So method is nothing but number of modules present in our program. So how to declare a method? So method is a set of instructions or statements. Is it clear? And declaration of method. Syntax, return type, method name, functional braces, and with semicolon. This is declaration of a method. So return type is, maybe it returns integer value, then return type is int. It returns float value, then return type is float. It returns nothing, then return type is void. So this is syntax, this is example. So method name, CAI is a method name, method braces and with semicolon. This is called method declarations. Okay. So int a is a variable declaration. We declare a as a integer type. Okay. So int a is equal to 10. We assign a value to the variable initialization. Okay. So we method and with semicolon. How to define a method? So we write the code, or we write body of the method. Then this is called definition. So then there is no need to write semicolon. Semicolon indicates end of the statement. So if you write semicolon, then ఇక్కడ మీరు రాసిన ఈ మెథడ్కి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వదు. ఓకే, మెథడ్ డిక్లరేషన్, మెథడ్ డెఫినేషన్. ఓకే, and no arguments, no return value. No arguments, with return value. With arguments, no return value. With arguments, with return value. So these are the 4 types of method passing techniques. A function having no arguments but it get return value. Okay? No arguments with return value. With arguments, no return value. With arguments, with return value. So return type and without parameters list. So B are the variables. A plus B is an operation. Here A and B are the operands. A and B variables say. Kani whenever the variables are performed in an operation, then those variables are called operands. Okay. So here int A comma int B variables, but మెథడ్ లో కనుక పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తే we call these variables are called arguments or parameters. వేరియబుల్సే కానీ మెథడ్లో రాస్తే మనం ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్ కానీ పారామీటర్స్ కానీ అనాలి. అదే వేరియబుల్ ఒక ఏ ప్లస్ బి ఆపరేషన్లో పెర్ఫామ్ చేస్తే ఏని బీని ఏమంటున్నాం, ఆపరెంట్స్ అంటున్నాం. And without parameters list. చూడండి, class is a keyword, A is a class name. In this class we have L and B variables, okay, and void display. In this display method we print L and we print B and scroll up object to this class, and by using object we call the method display. Down.